Check this out, guys. I just woke up and I see that I already made over $57 with this method on complete autopilot without having to do anything myself. And yesterday I was able to generate over $275 just by doing this. As you can see right here, I'm making anywhere between $6,000 to $7,000 per month using this method without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media or this YouTube channel, and I'm still getting results just like this. And I can teach you exactly this same method. So if you want to learn how to do that, just go to the first link in the video description and check out the introduction video to my coaching program, because I've got a couple of spots open that are going to be closing very soon. So just go ahead and sign up, see if you are a right fit for this program, and I hope to see you there. What's going on, guys? It's Andy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make around $350 on ClickBank with affiliate marketing using this viral traffic hack that is going to be getting you instant visitors to your affiliate link, and you're going to see results in the first 24 hours. This method is very easy to set up if you're going to watch this video from beginning to the end, and as a bonus I'm going to show you how to instantly get viral without having to spend a single cent out of your own pocket. Now this is going to be working for you anywhere in the world, and all you need is just your laptop and an internet connection to set this up and make some money with it too. So just make sure to hit the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also make sure to tick the notification bell so you will never miss out on any of my future uploads. Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to be using ClickBank affiliate marketplace to generate over $350 per day. And to be able to do that, what you need to do is hop over to clickbank.com and you need to grab yourself your free account. Now if you're going to be signing up for your free account, what I highly recommend that you do is skip this start button entirely. You just go to login right away. You can see you will get this create an account here button, and by using that one you're going to skip this little annoying survey they put out to new ClickBank appliers. So if you're going to click on that, all you need to do to get your account on ClickBank is just go ahead and fill in this application form, state the country that you're in, your first name, last name, your phone number. Now I highly recommend that you're going to put your real information in here. You don't want to be using dummy info, dummy account, because you will be making money on this account, and if you're going to put some wrong information in there, you will not be able to withdraw the money, and all the work that you're going to do is going to be pointless. So once you fill in this personal info, just click on create an account, and once you get your account, just log right into it. And once you log into your account, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. Right here you get to choose from many different niches that you can promote to make money with, but in today's video what I'm going to do is show you the exact affiliate offer to go for that is going to be working very well using this traffic source. And for that, what you want to do is go to this e-business and e-marketing section, and you want to go to sort results, and you want to select by gravity high to low. That way, at the top, you should find this exact affiliate offer that's called the live chat jobs. You have to try this one. I mean, you personally don't have to try this one, but it's very good offer to promote, because as you can see right here, the average conversion on this is $58.47, but it's going to be converting like crazy because it has this $1 trial, and from there it's all upsells. So even somebody who just wants to check this offer out is going to be spending money on it, and from there they will see that it's something that's actually worth it, because this offer is going to help them find their perfect online job so they can start making money online too. Okay, so to start promoting this offer, what you want to do is pretty much click on this promote button, and you need to fill in your ClickBank nickname, and then just go ahead and click on create a hop link. And once you get your affiliate link right here, what you need to do is just copy it and save it somewhere where you will be able to access it later. And for that, you can either leave ClickBank open, or you can just use Notepad or any other text editor to save your affiliate link, because now we are going to go to Instagram. In this method we are going to be using viral traffic from Instagram to promote the affiliate offer and to get an insane amount of traffic to your affiliate link. And although you will need an Instagram account for this to work, you will not be posting anything yourself. First of all, what you want to do is go to canva.com, and you want to search for Instagram story. Hit search on that, and you want to select create a blank Instagram story, because we are going to be creating some posters, Instagram story posters from scratch. Now to create a highly engaging Instagram story, what you want to do is go back to Instagram, go to this search bar, and what you want to search for is some motivational websites. For example, one that I highly recommend that you go with is one of these wealth profiles. Just select one of these. For example, let's go with this first one, and what you want to do is just go through this post, and you want to find one that you find yourself engaging. Pretty much you can see right here you've got something to do with Tesla, Walmart, Egypt, and right here you can see there's this post and this text that says Americans say they need 2.2 million to be considered wealthy. Now I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I didn't pick this post at random, because if you're going to go to my stories feed, you can see right here, if I'm going to open this guy up, you can see he's using the exact same post from the wealth profile to promote his own stuff. And as you can see right here, the next part of the story is going to be something that he wants to draw attention to, but the first image needs to be as engaging as possible, and this is where I got the idea. So just find a post like this on any of these Instagram websites, and what you want to do is pretty much just screenshot it, then paste it to Canva and make sure you're going to stretch it so it's going to fill as much of this blank template as possible, like this for example. Then just go to elements and you want to search for this square shape. You want to place it over the image and stretch it so it's going to cover the remaining part of the canvas. I'm just going to change its color to black in this case, then just right click on it, go to layers and send it backwards, and the post is going to look something like this. Then what I'm going to do is go to this text element and place a subheading on my image and type in there something like, do you agree? Pretty much what I'm going to do is recreate this story right here, but instead of doing it on Instagram, I'm going to do it on Canva. Then I'm going to go to elements one more time and I'm going to search for white arrow, and I'm going to place this image of these three white arrows right here, so it's going to be enticing people to swipe right. Then I'm going to go to text box one more time and place another subheading right next to these arrows, and I'm going to type in there swipe. What I'm going to do now is just copy this entire post by duplicating this page, and what you want to do here is just pretty much delete these arrows, this swipe text, this do you agree text, and what you want to do is go ahead and stretch this poster a little bit more so the text is going to be hidden, but you still want to be able to see this part with the dollars in there. Then just go back to ClickBank, and what you want to do is go to the sales page of this product by clicking the name of the product, and what you want to do from the sales page is just screenshot this part right here that says find perfect job online, just like that, and you want to paste it to Canva. Then just go back to the elements and you want to select this square shape with the rounded corners, place it on canvas, and what you want to do is stretch it so it's going to look like one of those boxes where you can find the link. Then I'm just going to change its color to this white right here, because I want to be able to place my link in here, something like this. Then go to the text box, place another subheading on there, and put there the call to action that says click here. Then just go to elements one more time and select and look for finger, and you want to place some icon of a finger that's going to be enticing people to click on the link somewhere below, for example like this. So pretty much this is all you need to do on Canva. Just create this very enticing first part of the story that's going to entice people to swipe right, because you don't want to be giving away all the secrets right here on the first side. Then just create a second image just like this, where it's going to say find the perfect online job, and put an enticing call to action that's going to look something like this. Then what you want to do is go to this share button and you want to click on share and download as a JPEG this time, and pretty much make sure you're going to select both pages to be downloaded. Then just click on download and you get both of these images saved to your computer. Now what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called shoutcard.com. What this website is pretty much it's going to connect you with the influencers that are already active on Instagram, and you can purchase a shout out from them that's going to be seen by thousands of people. First of all, what you want to do is sign up for your free account, then just click on browse influencers, and right here in this toolbar you want to deselect everything else besides Instagram. Once you do that, this is going to show you all the offers that are available for Instagram shoutout, and as you can see right here, for example, this page with 900,000 people is charging these amounts of money to promote your content. As you can see right here, you can get permanent feed post for $60, which is pretty much not worth it in my opinion, because you don't want to be spending that much money to post something permanent on just one website. What I highly recommend is that you go ahead and scroll through all of these and find the best deal for IG 24-hour story plus link. You can see right here, just for $25 you can get a shoutout, Instagram story shoutout that's going to be up there for 24 hours along with your URL with your affiliate link, and it's going to be seen by over 900,000 people. This is one of the higher end shoutouts for $25, but if you're going to check out some other influencers, for example this one right here, just with 108,000 people, is going to charge you just $10 for the exact same service. Now considering you can get 9 times the viewership just for spending $25, or you can just go ahead and spend $10 for shoutout from this website, or you can pretty much go and scroll through all of these and find the best deal that you want to go with. Now I know exactly what you're thinking, alright? You don't want to be spending money for for these shoutouts from your own pocket. And now comes the part where I'm going to show you this crazy little known trick how you can get literally free money just in a couple of minutes of your time that you can use to invest into this method without having to spend any cent yourself. If you're going to go to this website right here, that's called Coinbase.com, and if you're going to scroll all the way down here, you can see you can earn up to $30 worth of crypto just by discovering how specific cryptocurrencies work. So pretty much this website is going to pay you up to $30 just by learning about all these different cryptocurrencies without having to spend any money of your own, without purchasing any crypto. All you have to do is just watch a bunch of introduction videos, and for each of these that you're going to watch, you can earn anywhere between $15, $3, $5, and pretty much all the way up to $30 worth of crypto that you can exchange on Coinbase for US dollars, withdraw them to your account, and then just invest them into this method, purchasing an Instagram story on Shoutcard. What you want to do then is just pretty much select the service that you want to purchase, and once you're going to purchase this service with free money that you gotten off Coinbase, what you want to do then is just pretty much send the influencer the 2 images you have created on Canva along with your affiliate link that you may want to shorten before on Bitly or any other link shortener, and they are going to promote the images you have created in their story along with your affiliate link for 24 hours, and it's going to be seen by hundreds of thousands of people. Literally, you can get hundreds of thousands of clicks to your affiliate link by doing this, and every time somebody makes a purchase, you're going to get paid your commission. Now imagine out of 100,000 people, if even 6 are going to make a purchase, that means $58.47 times 6 equals $350 that you're going to make in a single day without having to spend a cent out of your own pocket. And that's it for today, guys. This is how you can use this secret hack to get viral traffic, instant viral traffic to your affiliate links. Now if you want to learn more advanced affiliate marketing strategies, just go to the first link in the video description and check out my coaching program. Other than that, for more money making content, check out this video right here. I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.